Hello everyone, wanted to go ahead and show you guys how you can set up a free Microsoft Office 365 trial so that you guys are able to follow along during the SharePoint Fundamentals series. So if you head over to Microsoft.com and go over to search and type in Office, I have caps on, E3, and then once you hit enter, it should be the first result. Then once you click on this, it's going to give you all of the details for all the stuff that's included with your 365 account. So these are the applications. And you can see these are some of the benefits that you get as well. So even if you decide to keep it outside of your trial, it is it's well worth the money. And you actually get a month-long trial, so it's great. And hopefully that's enough time for you guys to be able to get through my fundamental series, as well as work through any other challenges that you want through SharePoint or some of these other applications if you're applying for a job that involves some knowledge with some of these applications. So once you're ready, you'll see this try for free option, and it takes a long time, not a long time, but longer than you guys would want to sit through. So once you click on try for free, it's going to ask you to go ahead and provide your some information about your account. It's going to ask you to put in your personal email that you want to link to your account. It's going to ask you to set up a username, and that username is what'll be what you'll use to log into your Office 365 account. So make sure you keep that username. You have to put in your password. You have to put in a payment method as a placeholder, but as long as you cancel by that trial date, you should not be charged. And then at the very end, it's going to ask you to set up an authenticator account. So once you're done with all of that, it should take you to this screen, and it's going to say start using your new products. So it'll say it emailed you over the confirmation. It tells you when your trial will end. So keep that date in mind and make sure you cancel by that date. And then it'll give you the username. So make sure you keep your username, because that's what you're going to need to log in, like I just mentioned. So that's why I have Notepad open. So I was able to save my username. So once I'm ready, which I am, I'll go ahead and click on Start Using Office 365 No Teams Trial. Okay, and now that we're over here, it's going to ask me to set up a whole bunch of things over here. But what I want to do is I want to go ahead and just get over to SharePoint. So let me go ahead and find SharePoint, which is right there. And once it's done loading over and over and over. So what it's going to do now, it's going to give you a guide here. Tell you how to set up some different things on your SharePoint page. So feel free to do that if you want, or you guys can just follow along. So from here, what you can do is you can go ahead and create a site. So if you want to go ahead and create your site so that you're able to follow along in the videos, feel free to do that. But in the videos following this, I'll definitely be going through step-by-step of how we can set up the sites, how we can set up our contents, how we could set up navigations on the sites. I mean, you name it. We're going through everything when it comes to SharePoint. So I hope you guys are able to get your accounts set up successfully and that you enjoy the rest of the series.